Hey YouTube, it's Queen Pam Elon QP here, and I have a new camera set up, so hopefully it won't be too distracting for me. I got some orders in. I was doing a little Christmas card making and stopped to do the order, so my desk is really not tidy. I got this bee with a honeycomb hot foil, nope, not hot foil, wax seal, and I got these silicone cups to use also when making wax seals, and we'll do a video on that when the rest of the stuff that I need comes in from that. I got Unity stamps. Love is a magical thing. Gonna be doing a mini book for my niece. This one also from Unity. You are my always. This one for myself. Could be better. Hopefully they're not that tiny. They're a little bit bigger than that. That's good. Because goodness, that was close. I almost gave a, yeah, that was what sold me. And this was free, I think. Thank you for being in my life. You make me super happy. And this was also free. I got this chrome stamp to use on the wax seals. I got a bunch of Nuvo. Let me pause and get them all unwrapped and we can take a look at them. Okay, I've got them all out of the extra packaging that they were in. And this one is, yeah, I'm gonna put it up to the camera and see what color it is. Oh, I thought it was Pioneer Green, and it is a vintage drop. So I think it's matte when it's out. This is a dream drop in the color Lemon Twist. Another dream drop, Gold Lux. Another vintage one. This one is Blackboard. Glitter drop. Nope, this is Crystal. Party Pink. Jewel drop. Dries translucent. Honeysuckle. Summer sunrise. Glitter. I think I've got that one. I think I made a mistake. And night sky. I think I made a mistake. It's okay. This one's metallic. A crystal drop. Caramel cream. Glitter drop. Yep, that's what they're called. Silver moon dust. And I like to make my own embellishments. So hence that's why I'm getting a bunch of these. Peppermint candy. Man, do I need lotion. Chalk stick. So I think, oh, nope. Also got this Wow embossing powder. Pearl Gold Sparkle. And then from Amazon, I got some white mini. I think there's 100 of them. And some jute. This came together. And I want to string up my Christmas cards this year across my room. So that was my idea there. And that is it. Thank you for letting me know it's not it. I also got some exercise bands because I wore some heels and it didn't go well. and I want to strengthen my ankles. And the woman I found was using an exercise band in order to do it. So, as always, I leave you in the hands of the Creator. Be blessed.